So in my previous video related to switching modulator, there was an error regarding audio issue. So I am going to re-upload this topic. Okay. So switching modulator. So this is the switching modulator. So according to the diagram of switching modulator, we are seeing that the switching modulator is containing a diode and band pass filter, and this is the message signal. This is my message signal, and this is the carrier signal. Carrier signal. So since a diode is there, so we know that diode has two working phase. One is forward bias, forward bias. Another is reverse bias, reverse. So in forward bias, diode will work as, or diode will work in on condition, and similarly in reverse bias it is in off condition. So in this switching diode also, switching modulator circuit also, this switching diode will work under two conditions, that is first one is on and second one is off condition. So in this condition we have a signal which can control this on off condition, and for this circuit the carrier signal will control the controls the on and off operation of switching diode. Switching diode. Okay. So now in this case, this is simply signal addition where m of t is added with the carrier signal. So I can write v1t equal to m of t plus ct. That is m of t plus AC cos 2 pi fct. So this is the V1t when we are going to add two signals, two different signals, that is message signal as well as carrier signal. Now this CT controls the on off operation of diode. So now I can say output of this switching diode, this is output of switching diode has also two states. So V2T is the output. I am getting V2T as the output section of switching diode. So I can write the condition V2T equal to V1T when this switching diode is on condition, and it is 0 when this switching diode is in off condition. We have to calculate only the on condition. Now V2T, output of switching diode, is V1T multiplied with C of T. Sorry, X of T. X of T. That is the output of switching diode. So now I have to find out what is X of T. X of T is nothing but the pulse periodic signal, and it can be given as X of T can be, it is nothing but the pulse periodic signal, and mathematically it can be written as half plus 2 by pi summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n minus 1 by 2n minus 1 cos 2 pi fct 2n minus 1. This is the mathematical expression of pulse periodic signal. So now I have to calculate the V2. So mathematical expression. So V2 is my V1t multiplied with x of t at on condition, So now x of t can be modified from the previous equation 2 by pi cos 2 pi fct minus 2 by 3 pi cos 6 pi fct and so on. So this is the pulse periodic signal, and so final V2t becomes AC by 2 1 plus 4 pi AC m of t cos 2 pi fct. So I have to multiply this with V1t, and V1t I have already calculated here. That is V1t is nothing but mt plus AC cos 2 pi fct. So just take up to this two term. You have to multiply in V1t with only this two term. No need to multiply with rest of the terms. So after multiplication, I am getting this. So you see that V1t is V2t. Now phase 2 band pass filter. So V2t now pass through band pass filter. So what I will get, that is S of t. So S of t, I will get S of t after fetching it as a V2t to band pass filter. I will get AC by 2 1 plus, which will filter out. Okay, 1 plus Ka m of t cos 2 pi fct, which is my desired am well. Okay, and here Ka is nothing but 4 by pi AC. So in this equation, you have to first find out what is m of t, and m of t is given. What is c of t, that is AC cos 2 pi fct. Now add these two signal and you will get V1t. So V1t, this is the V1t. Okay, and after fetching it to the switching diode, which has two operating condition, that is on condition and off condition. In off condition, we will not get any kind of output, so we have to consider the on condition, and that on condition will be controlled by the carrier signal. So after fetching the V1t to switching diode, we will get V2t, which is given by V1t into x of t. X of t is nothing but your pulse periodic signal, so that we are getting two condition, that is in this condition on condition and this condition off condition. So sorry, in this condition off condition. So this is the equation of pulse periodic signal. After taking n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, we are getting this. We are getting this. And no need to calculate so long terms. So I have to consider first two terms. Okay. And by multiplying these first two terms with V1t, which is m of t plus say AC cos 2 pi fct, we are getting these terms. These terms. And this will be passed through band pass filter. So we are getting this equation. So this is my desired aim. So this is all about your switching modulator. So switching modulator, this modulator is known as switching modulator as since it has two operating system, or it will switch its operating condition in two state, that is on state as well as off state. So that's why it is known as switching modulator. So this is all about switching modulator. The next class I will discuss about other kind of modulator circuit as well as demodulators. Thank you all.